doing in my house? Well, since you're here, you might as well enjoy this one from the Lost Tapes. This is from when we hurt the car, and it still went low 11s on 5 cylinders. So, well, I'm going to get back down to the laboratory. Got laborious things like you understand. I'll see you later. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Foy's Automotive. I know it's been quite some time since we've done anything.
I shouldn't have to explain to you guys. Life happens.
We've just had a lot going on lately. A lot of good things. We're going to talk to you about some of them in this video. If I turn you around here, you'll notice there's a Suburban. Where's the trailer? Why aren't they hooked together? Come with me. I'll show you. So, I have the most amazing wife in the world. Like, I don't think I could ask for a better wife, better family. I know I'm a pain in the ass, but got a crazy dog over here hunting for varmints. So, let me introduce you to something. Let me get to where we're going to have a good shot of it. This, everybody, is, as we have now dubbed it, Clifford, the big red truck. I know, it's beautiful. This is a 1998 Chevy 3500, two-wheel drive, Foy's Automotive Special. Look at that fat ass on her. We have gooseneck, we have fifth wheel, we have regular hitch, got the toolbox. This was my birthday present from my wife. So, honey, I love you. But no dog. Inside of it is just as immaculate as the outside of it. The gauge pod, I just got that. I was just test fitting it. Anyways, we got to get some paint it the color of the interior. We got some gauges. We'll do a whole big video on this and what our plans are for this. Just kind of wanted to show it this morning. It cleans up super nice. It's just dirty because we've had a lot of rain. Let's see. I know some of you guys probably don't care. I'll show you the powerhouse that is the 6.5. Okay, it's not a powerhouse, but it is immaculate. The guy who owned this truck before me, I guess you could say me and him are pretty close. He stored me in his sack for a long time. The truck was my dad's, so I know the history on it, and that's part of why I wanted the truck so bad. And the wife and the dad made it happen. In here, I know this is kind of a ramble, but hey, after all this rambling, we will be at the track today, so just listen to me for a minute. Chaos is still basically sleeping. We're gonna air up the shocks and the tires. Only thing we have done to it was power valve. Did the power valve block off in the front, and that's it. I haven't done nothing else. The thing seems to run 1,000,000 times better now. So definitely leaner air fuels because that power valve was bad. And then that last pass when it went fucking boom, definitely killed whatever was left in it. So my plans are get this thing filled up, aired up, all that shit out of the garage. I got to hook the truck back to the trailer, do all that fun stuff. Then it's time. We're going to go racing today. It's Labor Day or Memorial Day, whatever day. It's Monday. Had a 3-day weekend. And then next week is Anarchy. So as long as everything goes as planned today, I mean, we're locked in. We'll be there. But we need the car to run a certain number today. And then we need to run the same number next weekend. Wish us luck. All right, so we made our first pass. Didn't go as planned. Car's not hurt or nothing, but we only went like 12 something. Bottle was ice cold. Missed second gear. Whatever. I can make excuses for days. So we're just flowed the fuel and the nitrous. Got those pressures set. Put the 200 jets in it. We're gonna go up here soon as the bottle's warm, and see what we can't break. So this is the pass that, put the final nail in the coffin. We still make another run, but as you can see here, how much it was smoking so bad, I thought it was on fire. This pass, the car was a handful, as you can see. It got sketchy at a few points. Alright, so we made 3 passes today. The car went faster, but let me just show you something here. We've got Lake Foy under here now. I don't know where Lake Foy came from. Second pass, felt really fast, made it down the track, but was smoking pretty bad at the end of the run. So brought it back, pulled all the plugs, checked everything. Everything looked good, but it's still smoking. Made another pass, and the bracket car did what bracket cars do and ran an identical back-to-back pass after thinking it was hurt. So I'm gonna get it off the trailer. I don't know, look into it. Hopefully it's not hurt, but we won't know until we know. Let's get her off the trailer and see what we fucked up.